All right, new mobile home buyers, let's take a look at our beautiful 4-bed, 2-bath Bella from the hip. One take, no edits. Let's get started. All right, so we have a 4-bed, 2-bath, 2,200 square foot house. This one is a 76 by 32, built by Scott Built, and I'll show you some of these images before we walk through the entire thing. As you can see, it's a beautiful house, tons of space, beautiful master bath, beautiful farmhouse sink. All right, now let's walk this thing. All right, a look at the floor plan. This is an awesome floor plan because it has two living room areas. You have that first living room, it can be a sitting room, it can be an adult living room for the older people in the house, the parents. Then you have your family room. This is where the kids can play. It can be your playroom. It can be where you watch the Super Bowl. You have that double living room, that double den space for the entire family. Then you have your primary bedroom over here, your primary bathroom, large closet, huge pantry. As you step into the kitchen, you get that large island, that dinette area with the double doors. Then you get that second family room, three large dedicated bedrooms, a laundry slash washroom, and then that guest bathroom. All right, now let's walk through this thing. All right, so when we come in, you come in the front door. As you can see, it has beautiful vaulted ceilings. It has tons of open airy space. You go directly into the kitchen area where that huge island is. This doesn't do it justice when you see it in person. This island is huge. It can fit comfortably 6, 8 if you squeeze. Same thing with this dinette area. You have tons of space. You can throw in 6-person table, 8-person table, tons of counter space, farmhouse sink, giant pantry. All right, and then I'll show you what it looks like from the kitchen looking back at that living room area. Check out that second den. That second den is again huge, spacious. Those high ceilings really make it give it a huge open airy space. All right, you have the fireplace area. Then you have your 3 bedrooms. You have your guest bath, and then over here you have that laundry space. Step inside right here and show you what that's like. Laundry space. There is your guest bath. Huge laundry space. All right, and then all these rooms are huge. All these rooms are plenty of space for family, for guests, for an office, any sort of room you could need. You can set this up however you like. You have those double doors, perfect for that back porch. You have that farmhouse style with the rolling cabinets. You have the giant pantry. I mean, somebody could sleep in here. I've been in this thing, and it is giant. You have plenty of space in here. No one is getting into the food. All right, now let's go into the primary here. The primary, and of course, you can't go inside. Love that. We'll check out this floor plan again. See if we can go in this way. Oh, we're in. Absolutely. Okay, check us out. Giant primary. Let's go back over here to the floor plan, and we'll head into the primary bath. Ooh, we're in. I have figured out how to navigate this thing. Okay, here's what I love about this primary. Number one, awesome soaking tub. Tons of light. Just be careful, make sure nobody sees you. You have the wet toilet here. This is awesome because we all know you get busy in the morning. And when you get busy in the morning, people got to go. People got to brush their teeth. People got to brush their hair. You have this wet closet. You can close the door. You don't have to worry about it anymore. And 2 people can be in here, and you can ensure that everybody is getting ready for Sunday service, getting ready for Thanksgiving dinner, getting ready for the holidays. Double vanity, so you have plenty of space here to see absolutely to have plenty of space to enjoy your primary ensuite. And let's go back to this floor plan again. And again, I love this house. This house is less of a starter house and more of an established. You have a family, you might have a couple kids, and you are ready to move into that house that you're going to be happy with living in for a long time. This house is awesome. It is in the high 100s, but ideally once you go into, or not ideally, once you go into your land improvements, you'll be above 200s. I think, in the 220s, 225 range. Again, not financial advice. My name is Jesus. I'm located in upstate South Carolina. If you want to work with me, text me. We'll have a number in the first comment or in the description of the video. Thanks for hanging out. See you in the next one. Bye bye.